Hello guys, welcome to another video on Know It Now. And on this video I'm going to be showing you how to buy YouTube comments in Nigeria, and we're going to be using growbetter.net. All you have to do is go to any of your search browser and search on www.growbetter.net. Once you search it as a first timer, this is how the website is going to display. If you don't have an account, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sign up on growbetter.net. If you have an account, just input your details and sign in. So to create an account with growbetter.net is very simple. All you have to do is click on the sign up button. It will bring you to this page. All you have to do is create a username, input your email, create a password, confirm password, and click on I'm not a robot. Once you fill in all these details, you click on sign up. It is that easy and simple to create an account with growbetter.net. I have an account already. All I have to do is input my details and sign in. This is how the website looks like on the inside. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy YouTube comments in Nigeria using growbetter.net. Let's get right into the video. Under category, you click on this arrow, you scroll down till you see YouTube service. As you can see right there, YouTube service, you click on it. Under service, you click on this arrow. There are various of services there, as you can see, and we are doing YouTube comments, right? You see YouTube emoji comments, you see YouTube customized comments, you see YouTube customized comments super fast. We're going to be picking from any of this one. I'm going to be picking this one right here, the second one, YouTube customized comment. You click on, and on this link and quantity, I've copied my link before the start of this video. I'll just input my link. And under this quantity, on this comment space, you have to input the comments you want to be on the video, right? So you just input the comments. Once you have input your correct link and the amount of comments you want on that post, you just click on submit. Once you click on submit, you see a notification that your order has been received and your comments will start dropping immediately. And I want you guys to note that getting any service on this website is not free. You have to have fun on your account before you make any order. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to add fun. It is very easy. Click on the three arrow up here. It will bring you to this space, right? You see add fun right there. You click on add fun. Bring you to this space where you see method and amount. Your method is already on Flutterwave. Under this amount, you have to input any amount you want to add on your growbetter account. I'm inputting 2,000 and I'll click on pay. Once you click on pay, it will bring you to the space where you'll be asked to enter card details to pay, as you can see right there. But there are other payment methods for you to choose from. All you have to do is click on change payment method right there, as you can see down there. You click on change payment method. They'll bring more payment options for you to choose from. To see all payment options, you click on see all payment options. You see more payment method, as you can see right there. You see Apple Pay, Google Pay, USSD, bank transfer, e-naira, and many more. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use bank transfer to add fun on growbetter.net. It is very simple and easy. All you have to do is just click on bank transfer. Once you click on bank transfer, right, it will bring you to the space where you see amount, account number, bank name, and beneficiary. All you have to do is copy the account number, go to your bank app, make the payments, and come back and click on I have made this bank transfer, or anyhow you want to make your payments. Make sure you make your payments. Once you make your payments to this account, you click on I have made this bank transfer. And I want you guys to note that this specific account is for this transaction. As you can see right there, they said the account details is only valid for this specific transaction and it will expire by 2:40 p.m. today. If you calculate it very well, that's the maximum time of 1 hour you get. So if you don't make your payment to this account between now till 2:40 p.m., this account is going to expire, so you have to generate a new account number. Make sure you generate a new account each time you want to add fund. And this is how to use bank transfer to fund your growbetter account. It is very easy and simple if you just follow these few steps I just show you. And that's how to buy YouTube comments in Nigeria using growbetter.net. Thanks guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more relatable videos like this. And if it's your first time coming across Know It Now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified anytime we post a new video. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. Thank you.